Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Blackie Kannada question paper first semester BE BTech degree examination January February 2023. Question paper version A. Before starting answering the question, please read the instruction carefully and start answering after that. Okay. So let's start with the first question. Which of the following are the hints for correct and polite conversation? Option A, pronounce the words properly. Option B, use plural verbs to address others. Option C, use simple sentence for conversation. Option D, all of this. So the correct answer for this question is all of this. Second question. So here you need to fill in the blank by translating the given English word to Kannada. So here they have given English word. So we need to guess the correct Kannada word. So second question is we. So option A ನಾವು, option B ನಮಗೆ, option C ನಮ್ಮ, option D ನಿಮಗೆ. The correct answer for this question we is option A ನಾವು. We means ನಾವು. Third question she. So option A ನೀನು, option B ಅವನು, option C ನಾನು, option D ಅವಳು. The correct answer for this question is option D ಅವಳು. That means she means ಅವಳು. Next question, fourth question this. Option A adu, option B ali, option C idu, option D both A and B. The correct answer for this question is option C idu. That means this means idu. Next yaru. Next question yaru means who. That means option A where, option B who, option C what, option D when. The correct answer for this question yaru means who. Next, complete the following. That means we need to complete the sentence like that. Next question, sixth question. Nanu means nanna. Nanu, nanna. Neenu, ninna. That means nanu, nanna. Neenu, ninna. The correct answer is ninna. So four options here. So out of it, the correct answer is ninna. Neenu means ninna. Next, seventh question. Amma means mother. Amma means mother. Tangi means sister. The correct answer for this question is option A, sister. Tangi means sister. Next, question number 8. What means ಏನು? Where means ಎಲ್ಲಿ? The correct answer for this question is option A, ಎಲ್ಲಿ. Where means ಎಲ್ಲಿ. Next, option 9. Sorry, question number 9. The meaning of ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ in English. The meaning of ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ in English. The correct answer for this question is student. Next, question number 10. Choose the correct Kannada translation of ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? The correct answer for this question is what is your name? So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? For this question the correct answer is what is your name? Next, 11th question. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾಸ್ book is blue. ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾಸ್ book is blue. ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಯಾವುದು? This is the question. The correct answer is ನೀಲಿ. That means, so here they have given blue. Book color is blue. So in Kannada, blue means neeli. Next, note, match the correct answer using the table given below for question number 12 to question number 17. So one side English word is given, another side is Kannada word is given. We need to match with respect to English to Kannada. So the first question, meaning of red. So here red means, so here means kempu. Okay. So the option D is correct. So meaning of red is, so here the correct answer is D. So next, meaning of long. Long means udda. Okay. So the long means udda. The option E is correct. Next, the meaning of green. Green means it is a color. So hasiru. So hasiru, yeah. Okay. So then for the next 14th question, the correct answer is yeah. Next, thick. So thick is the English word. In Kannada, the correct answer is option A. What is that option A? Dappa. Okay. Thick means dappa, thin means sarna. So thin is not given. So thick means dappa. So that is option A. Next, fifth question, short. Meaning of short means option C, gidda. Okay. Short means gidda. Small, short means gidda. That is correct. The correct answer is option C. Next, 17th question, small. Okay. Small means The correct answer for this question is B, Chikka. Okay, so once again, red means Kempu, long means Udda, green means Hasiru, thick means Dappa, short means Gidda, small means Tikka. Okay, so according to that, you need to mark the answers. So 18th question, Avanu dash Huduga. So four options given for correct answer for this Jana. Avanu, Jana, Huduga. So this is the correct meaning. So if you use others answer like Avanu Vidyarthi Huduga, Avanu Kelasa Huduga, Avanu all of this. So it is not correct. So Jana is the correct option. Next, 19th question. Bengaluru dash Nagara. Bengaluru dash Nagara means the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. So here the word Dodda. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Bengaluru Dodda Nagara. Okay, so if you use other option like Billy, Bengaluru Billy Nagara, so it doesn't mean doesn't means. So next, Bengaluru Jasti Nagara. Okay, so no, it don't make any sense. And Bengaluru Halli Nagara, so it also no makes no sense. Okay, the correct answer for this 19th question is Bengaluru Dodda Nagara. Next, 20th question. In Kannada, what to say for little? Okay, little means the correct answer is Swalpa. Next, note. Complete the analogy from question number 21 to 23. Raja Rajanadu. Okay, Raja Rajanadu. Akka Kadu. So it is not Akkadu, it is Janadu. That is option A is correct. Next, question number 22. Mane. Mane, Maneyalli. Uru, Uralli. Okay, so correct answer is Uru, Uralli. That is the correct answer. Next, question number 23. Seven, it is an English word. Elu means Kannada word. Seven means Elu. 10 means Hattu. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Note, translate into English for the given Kannada sentence. Neevu yaru. The correct answer for this question is who are you? Neevu yaru means who are you? Next, question number 25. Uta Aita. Uta Aita. Correct answer for this question is had your food. That is the correct answer. Next, 26th. Nanna Hesaru Amar. The correct answer for this question is my name is Amar. So next question number 27. Kannada Gutta. This is the question. The correct answer for this question is do you know Kannada? Okay, so that is the correct answer. Next, question number 28. Ivaru Nanna Amma. So the correct answer for this question is she is my mother. That is the correct answer. Note, fill in the blank choosing the right word. From question number 29 to question number 33. Granthalaya means, question number 29. Granthalaya means library. That is option A is correct. It is not a classroom, it is not a temple, it is not a lab. Okay, so library. Library means Granthalaya. Next, question number 30. Arogya means, Arogya is a Kannada word. So the correct English word for this Kannada word is health. Option D is correct. Next, 31st question. Shubhodaya. It's a Kannada word. The correct answer for this question is good morning. In English, it is good morning. Question number 32. Good night. So means good night is an English word. So Shubha Ratri is a Kannada word. The correct answer for this good night, which is English word. So the correct answer is Shubha Ratri. That is in Kannada. Next, question number 33. Ishta illa. Ishta illa means I don't like. So option B is correct. I don't like. Note, choose the appropriate answer. Question number 34, question number 36. So 34th question, Hogu, Hogona. Okay, Hogu, Hogona. Ba, Barona. That is the correct answer. Next, 35th question. Actually, it is Kelagu. Kelagu plus Inda, Kelaginda. Okay, it is not Kaleginda. So it is not Kaleginda. Kelagininda, Kelagininda. Okay, so Kalegu plus Inda, Kelagininda. Mane plus Inda, Maneinda. So option C is correct. Mane plus Inda, Maneinda. Next, question number 36. ಕುಡಿ ಕುಡಿಯಿರಿ, ಕುಡಿ ಕುಡಿಯಿರಿ, ಹಾಕಿ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. Okay, so option D is correct. Next question number 37. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So question number 38. Had your breakfast. Choose the correct answer in Kannada. So had your breakfast. If anyone asks you this question is, yeah, I have done it. I have, yes, it's over. So like that is the English answer. But in Kannada, Aitu. Had your breakfast. Uta Aita. So Aitu. That is the correct answer. Aitu. Write the English word for the given Kannada word. So it is like a body parts. Okay, so question number 39. Tale. Tale means head. Next 40th question. Kalu means leg. Next 41st question. Tarakari. It is vegetables. That answer is vegetable. Next 42nd question. Habba. Habba means festival. So 43rd question. Maga means sun. 44th question. Mane. House. Correct answer is house. Next, write Kannada words for the given English word. Holiday is the English word. 45th question, holiday. Raje, Kannada word is Raje. 46th question, song. The correct answer is Hadu. So choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Okay. So 47th question, Ivaru Nanna Tande. That is the correct answer. 48th question, Nanna dash Bengaluru. Nanna uru Bengaluru. Okay, so uru is the correct answer. 49th question, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗೊತ್ತು is the correct answer. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. So this is the correct answer for this question. Next 50th question, ನೀನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಾ. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಬಾ. So the option C is the correct answer. So this completes the 50 questions under this ಬಳಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. So we have already uploaded some of the VTU question papers in my channel. Please go through that. Okay. So thank you.